What's up, everybody? Javioso back again with another video. Alright, I got a $40 session. I got two of these $20 of my favorite Pinky $250 million cash explosions. And I got ticket number 14 and 15. Alright, let's start off with ticket number 14. Alright, so all we do here is match our numbers to the win numbers, win the price shown. You find that money bag, you win $100 instantly. Or that 20x, 20 times the prize. Odds is only 3.09. Alright, we still got coins, running low on our supply. And if you guys don't have one, please hit up AZ, Scratcher, and Lady Luck. I have their links in my description and their emails. So please, if you don't have one, hit them up, right? Okay, let's go. Okay, we're looking for 17. Number 1, 38. 23, dose, 28. And my lucky number 8. Come on, 8. Alright. I got 35. No zeros at the top. 37, one off. 43, no 40s. 36. Double deuces. 21, 19, 47, 44 club, 45, 48, 14, come on. 8, 28, 38, 18 and 48. No zeros. 42, 11, look at that, random red. 25, man, I thought we had it. 12, 26, 39, dolls 4, no zeros, 16, one off. And a 13. Yikes. Nothing on our first ticket. Come on. Alright, ticket number 15. Come on, Tot. Let's go simple until let's find that money bag. I haven't seen that money bag for a minute. That's 15 there. 6, 19, 16, and 41. So far, no duplicate numbers. $34. 550. 27, 48. 45, we got 15, 35. Okay, nothing. All right, let's go. Riri's 29, not there. 37. Not there. Nancy's number 9. Also not there. 17. We got 27, 47. Bam, we got a match. Whew. Just getting worried there. 5 and 5. 34. We got the 34 there. 28, 18, and 48. Alright, so just a 5 and 34. Alright, let's see what you got. Come on. 10, Oh, nice, $40. Awesome. 40 in, 40 out. That is awesome. Did I miss anything else? No 5. And no 34. No other 34. Awesome. All right. There you go. There you go. Like I said, we're running low on coins, so please hit up Lady Luck and Easy Scratchers. Their links will be in the description box. And go ahead and hit them up on the emails, all right? Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you all on the next video. All right, everybody, aloha.